Still coughing weeks after getting sick? It might not be what you think. Here are 5 common causes most people miss. Number 1, post-nasal drip. Mucus draining down your throat keeps triggering that cough, usually worse when you lie down. Number 2, acid reflux. You don't even need heartburn. Silent reflux can irritate your airway. Number 3, allergies or even asthma, especially if you have sneezing, itchy eyes, or breathing changes. Number 4, blood pressure medication. ACE inhibitors are a very common cause of a dry cough. And number 5, airway inflammation. Your lungs can stay irritated even after the infection is gone. If it lasts more than a few weeks, it's worth getting checked. Follow for simple medical explanations.